What is going on, guys? I really think you need to, no, I don't think, I know you need to learn how to trade. Trading is a life skill that can feed you and pay your bills for the rest of your life. It's not daunting. Don't be intimidated by it. Let's talk about the different types of trades that I do, and then maybe you could make a New Year's resolution or start to learn how to trade so you can make more revenue for you and your family. This is Mike, the Tactical Stock Scalper. All right. Guys, I am so grateful I learned how to trade so long ago. It has helped my family out more times than I can count. Trading is just a wonderful way to make revenue. I think it's no different than learning how to fish, how to hunt, how to work on cars, etc. Right? It can feed you and pay your bills for a lifetime. And if you know how to work on cars, you can repair cars and make money. If you know how to hunt and fish, you can always feed yourself and your family forever, right? So that's why I love trading. It's a life skill, and you're your own boss. You are your own company, and it's just absolutely wonderful being self-sufficient from trading. Now, there's many different ways to trade. I mean, there's probably thousands of different ways to trade, but we're going to talk about the wheel strategy, day trading, swing trading, and scalping. Those are all the types of forms of trading that I do. Now, if you have a dividend account, right, you're already having revenue coming in from your dividends, whether they pay you weekly, monthly, quarterly, whatever, right? So you have that revenue coming in. And then if you swing trade or run the wheel, then you have another passive-ish form of revenue that comes in whenever the trade is complete. And then if you day trade and scalp, well, then you're making money every day, right? So when you combine all these different forms of trading, it's multiple streams of revenue coming in at different times from different sources. Okay, so that's why I love the combination of learning how to trade multiple ways, so you're not just a one-trick pony. So let me start with like the wheel. Okay, the wheel. I'm gonna just do a little bit on each section, on each type of trading. So the wheel is, you want to own a stock, let's say, whatever it may be, and you buy or sell, rather, you sell a put on it, okay? And then you will get the premium for selling that put to someone in the marketplace out there, wherever, right? And then they buy that put from you. You receive that premium immediately. That's wonderful, right? And then if that stock gets below your put, your strike price, then you're assigned those shares. And then all you do is turn around and sell a call on it above your strike price, and then you're making revenue from that. And then if it gets up to that strike price or above it, you lose those shares. And then you do it over and over again. Now, the wheel is extremely passive. You may have to look at your phone like once a day, maybe twice a day, just depending upon whatever's happening in the market. So as far as trading go, I think it's probably one of the most passive ways. But that also comes with low profits in comparison to other forms of trading. You're giving up some profit that you could make from other forms by being safe and doing the wheel on something you already want to own. Now, if you want to get involved in trading, I have a membership group. It's only $4 a month. This group has exploded. You can copy my trades. On my swing trades, which I'm going to talk about next, guys, I'm 26-0. I haven't lost a swing trade in months. You can copy my trades, do exactly what I do, and learn how to trade and make money at the same time, so you're not losing money learning how to trade. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to join my membership group. So, we talked about the wheel, low profits, but relatively safe. Next is swing trading. It's one of my favorite types because, again, it's very passive. You may just have to look at your phone once, twice, 3 times a day, and then either sell it or execute it, whatever. Very, very passive as far as trading goes. And if you're doing it right and you're confident in your swing trading, you should be making more swing trading than you are running the wheel. So it's a little bit more time involved, but you could still work a 9 to 5 and swing trade just like you can the wheel, right? It's no different as far as that goes. It just takes a little more hands-on than the wheel, not too much more. And now, what is swing trading? Well, you buy a stock at a level, and then you wait for it to go up, and then you sell it for profit. Sometimes it takes a day, sometimes it takes a month, right? Or longer, just depends. And it's, again, another form of revenue that comes in at different times. Now let's talk about day trading. Now, I do not day trade very often. If I day trade, it's an accident. What does that mean? That means I'm in a swing trade and it moved so fast in the direction I wanted this trade to go that I sell it for profit that day. If I day trade, it's an accident. It just happened. It just moved so fast that that's what I did. Now, the benefits to swing trading are you can take your time with it. You can average down at levels. You can build a position over time waiting for the move to happen. It's wonderful. Absolutely love swing trading. It's hard to lose, honestly, swing trading. That's why I'm 26-0. We typically swing trade with the trend. And when you have a bull market, it's really hard to lose. Now next, scalping. Scalping is probably my favorite form of trading. What is scalping? Scalping is you're in a trade for like a minute, 2, 3, 4, very small amount of time. Why I love scalping is I go in with big size, I have a tight stop loss, and then when it moves in my direction, I take profits quickly. I'm going in with much bigger size and dollar amounts allocated to scalping than I do for swing trading or the wheel, because that's the type of trading it is. It's fast, you get your money right then. You win or you lose right then within 2 or 3 minutes and the trade is done. The deal with scalping is you have, at least the way I do it anyway, I have to wait for my setup. So that means I got to stare at the screen like this, waiting. Or I can put an alert on my phone and wait for a level and then come back to the computer. Another thing is you can't really scalp off your phone, and you can, but it's much more difficult. I have to scalp off my laptop. I have an algorithm. I have certain, my computer's set up with Thinkorswim to be scalping friendly, right? I have active trader, different trading windows. So that's how it works for me. And I absolutely love scalping. That's because I get paid. I get paid daily if I win the trades, right? With scalping. You make your money right then. And that's what's wonderful about it. Now, when you include dividends that you're getting, you include swing trading, right? Which can pay you anywhere from a day to a week to a month and beyond, just depending how long you hold it. And then with scalping from time to time, you have so many different forms of revenue and cash flow coming in at different times, and it's wonderful. It's absolutely wonderful. So please do yourself and your family a favor. Learn how to trade, and it'll feed you and take care of you for a lifetime. This is Mike, the Tactical Stock Scalper, out.